So I'm going to unbox this Bauhn smartwatch. I bought it from Aldi. It was $39.95. So it reminds me of a Fitbit Versa. Obviously it is not a Fitbit Versa, but it has things like wireless charging with a dock. It's a color screen, Bluetooth of course, water resistant. You can receive messages and notifications, music playback control, heart rate monitoring, and sleep monitoring. So it does all of those things that you would expect from a much more expensive activity monitor, aka Fitbit or Garmin, whatever brand you prefer. But it is very, very, very economical. So let's just open up the box and see what we have. All right. Now, first thing that I am going to be looking for is what's in the box. So we've obviously got the unit itself, or the watch itself. We'll put that aside for a second. It has the dock. It's not really a wireless charger, I guess. It's the same sort of thing like a Fitbit, where you've got like the two pins that charge it. Sorry, it wasn't a wireless dock. It just says charging dock included. Some instructions, or the user guide, and the warranty from Aldi, warranty certificate, and some notes about the heart rate sensor and charging safety warnings, etc. Okay, so we'll put that down for a minute. Put that down for a minute. And we'll look at the watch itself. Take this out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Feels quite good. Looks like it's got removable bands. You can see that there. Not sure what bands fit. I'm sure you could probably buy some online. I'll have a look and see if we can buy some online. Black might not always be a thing. You might want to choose a different colored band depending on what accessories you are planning on wearing that night or that day. It's got a protective cover on it. We'll just peel that off. Now we will have a look at, see if it's got any charge in it. It does. Okay, so you can change through the menus. Let's see if it picks up on my heart rate. BPM. Let's have a look. Not registering anything at the moment. Maybe you need to sync it or something. Oh, there we go. 60, 59, 61, 63. Okay, so it registers it somewhat. Okay. Well, it's not meant to be a user guide video. This is just meant to be an unboxing. What's in the box? So I will now sync it and download the app onto my phone. I've got an Apple, so I will download it and put it on my Apple phone and enjoy. Thank you very much. One thing that I noticed immediately after was that it's actually magnetic, so it latches to the right. It's not that strong, of course, but if that was sitting on your, say, your dresser or your desk or something like that, you could literally just pop it on and it matches, sort of like a magnetic attachment, so it gets right to the right area and connects it straight away and charges it. So that's pretty handy, that's pretty clever. So it locates it straight away. That's good, I like that. Very nice, very nice.